Well, thank you for calling. Sorry about our customers. This is Cynthia. May I take your order?
Hey, this is Steve over at the Belcourt location. We have completely run out of cheese. And I know it sounds ridiculous, but we were wondering, I just got a call from District, and they said to call you and ask if you could have someone run some cheese over, because we're actually staying open till 2 tonight. I don't know what y'all's hours are.
Okay,
but
hold on. I'll let you speak to Shirley. Shirley!
This is Shirley. Can I help you?
Hey, this is Steve over at the Belcourt location. I was wondering if you could run some cheese over, because we are out of cheese.
Okay. I'm sorry. I don't know. I'm not aware of who you are.
This is Steve at Belfort.
Well, you're closed, aren't you?
No, we got a call from District. They told us to stay open till 2 tonight.
Who told you that?
We got a call from Bill at District. He said to stay open.
Well, honey, I got a 75-pie order I'm fixing to deliver.
So there's no way you can drop some cheese off? Oh, well, I mean, people want us to make pizza, but, I mean, if we don't have any cheese, we're just sending them sauce bread.
Well, don't you have a driver that can come and get it?
Well, I mean, I got 2 out right now dropping off pizzas. I mean, they're coming back, but, I mean, we could send someone over. Could you have some set aside ready for us when he gets there?
Well, I mean,
The first question is, do you have enough to give to us?
I mean, what I would do is give you some and have to get some more for myself.
Could you at least spot us for the night? Because we are cheeseless.
Denny, if I let you off now, could you run a couple cases of cheese to Belcourt? All right, I'll have Denny bring you a couple cases.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks. Cheese.